Imagine having the power to unlock the path to financial success. It all starts with a concept called the wealthy mindset. This mindset isn't about having money, it's about thinking in a way that creates wealth. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about accumulation, but about circulation, growth, and most importantly, mindset. The mind is a powerful tool. It shapes our reality, our experiences, and our outcomes. And when it comes to financial success, the mindset plays a crucial role. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. It's about understanding money, understanding how it works, how it grows, and how it can work for you. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity to a mindset of abundance. In this video, we will delve into the concept of a wealthy mindset, explore its characteristics, and provide practical steps to cultivate it. We will discuss the differences between a wealthy mindset and a poverty mindset, and how these distinctions can impact your financial journey. We will also share examples of successful individuals who have harnessed the power of a wealthy mindset to achieve incredible financial success. But it's not just about understanding the mindset, it's about cultivating it, nurturing it, and making it a part of who you are. It's about challenging your limiting beliefs, setting clear financial goals, surrounding yourself with positivity and success, and constantly learning and growing. It's about overcoming obstacles, embracing failures, and persevering through challenges. And most importantly, it's about understanding that a wealthy mindset is not a destination, but a journey. It's a continuous process of growth, learning, and transformation. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, not just financially, but in all aspects of life. So, are you ready to embark on a journey to cultivate a wealthy mindset and unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. What exactly is a wealthy mindset? It's more than just wanting to be rich. It's an attitude, a belief system, a way of interacting with the world that opens doors to financial success. But what does this really mean? At its core, a wealthy mindset is about abundance, not scarcity. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, about choosing to focus on solutions rather than problems. It's about believing that there is enough for everyone, including yourself, and that success is not a zero-sum game. Contrast this with a poverty mindset, which is rooted in scarcity and fear. Those with a poverty mindset often believe that there's never enough to go around, that they must hoard what they have, and that others' success somehow diminishes their own. This mindset can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, limiting opportunities and stifling growth. However, a wealthy mindset is not about being naive or ignoring the realities of life. It's about acknowledging challenges and then choosing to approach them with positivity and resourcefulness. It involves recognizing that setbacks are part of the journey and that they can serve as stepping stones to greater success. Now let's consider some real-world examples of successful individuals who embody a wealthy mindset. Think about entrepreneurs like Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey. They didn't come from wealth, but they cultivated a mindset that allowed them to see possibilities where others didn't, to take calculated risks, and to persevere in the face of adversity. They focused on creating value, not just accumulating wealth. And crucially, they believed in their ability to shape their own destiny. These examples illustrate that a wealthy mindset is not about being born into privilege. It's about adopting the right attitudes and beliefs, about developing resilience, about continuously learning and growing. It's about seeing wealth not just as a destination, but as a journey. As you can see, a wealthy mindset is about more than just money. It's about the way you view and interact with the world. It's about embracing abundance, seeking opportunities, and believing in your own potential. And remember, it's never too late to start cultivating a wealthy mindset. What makes a wealthy mindset so powerful? It's all about the characteristics. Let's dive into the key characteristics that form the foundation of a wealthy mindset. The first is an abundance mentality. This means viewing the world as a place full of opportunities rather than a battlefield of competition. It's about believing there's enough success to go around. The opposite, a scarcity mentality, can limit your potential and keep you stuck in a cycle of fear and lack. Next, a wealthy mindset embraces challenges. Challenges are not seen as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with a setback, those with a wealthy mindset don't give up. Instead, they analyze what went wrong, learn from their mistakes, and come back stronger. Thirdly, long-term thinking is a key component of a wealthy mindset. It's about delaying gratification and making decisions that will benefit you in the long run. This might mean investing your money instead of spending it, or spending time educating yourself instead of seeking instant pleasure. Proactive decision-making is another key characteristic. Those with a wealthy mindset don't wait for opportunities to come to them. They make their own. They take responsibility for their lives and their financial situation. They understand that their decisions and actions directly impact their financial future. Lastly, continuous learning and personal growth is a cornerstone of a wealthy mindset. The world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, you must be willing to constantly learn and adapt. This might mean reading books, attending seminars, or seeking mentorship. It's about being open to new ideas and willing to step out of your comfort zone. These characteristics, an abundance mentality, embracing challenges, long-term thinking, proactive decision-making, and continuous learning, form the foundation of a wealthy mindset. They're not inherent traits. They can be learned and cultivated, and once you adopt them, they can be a game changer in your journey to financial success. These characteristics form the foundation of a wealthy mindset and can be a game changer in your journey to financial success. Now that you know what a wealthy mindset looks like, how do you go about developing one? Well, the first step is to challenge your limiting beliefs. Many of us hold beliefs about money that we've inherited from our families or society, such as money is the root of all evil or rich people are greedy. These beliefs can hold us back from pursuing wealth. So start by identifying your limiting beliefs about money, then work on transforming them into empowering ones. Next, set clear financial goals. Without a clear destination in mind, it's easy to drift aimlessly. Your goals could be anything from paying off your student loans to saving for a house or even reaching financial independence. The key is to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. Once you've set your goals, create a plan to achieve them. This might involve budgeting, investing, or starting a side hustle. Remember, the plan is not set in stone. It's something you can adjust as you go along. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is another crucial strategy. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." So make a conscious effort to spend time with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your financial goals. Practicing gratitude is another key aspect of developing a wealthy mindset. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you have. Gratitude not only promotes a positive outlook, but it also helps you recognize opportunities that you might otherwise overlook. Finally, invest in self-education and financial literacy. The more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. This could involve reading books, attending workshops, or even hiring a financial advisor. Remember, developing a wealthy mindset is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort and commitment. So start today, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to a wealthy mindset and financial success. Adopting a wealthy mindset isn't always easy. There will be obstacles and setbacks. Along the journey, you might confront common challenges such as self-doubt or fear of failure. You might hear the whispers of, "I can't do this," or "this is too hard." But remember, these are just voices of uncertainty, not facts. One strategy to overcome these internal hurdles is to practice positive affirmations. Reassure yourself that you are capable, you are resilient, and you are deserving of financial success. Another obstacle could be the fear of failure. It can paralyze us, keeping us from taking risks or making important decisions. To combat this, remind yourself that failure is not a dead end, but a detour to a better route. Sometimes, the road to a wealthy mindset might make you feel isolated, as not everyone will understand your journey. Surround yourself with like-minded people, those who inspire you and encourage your growth. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. Don't be afraid of obstacles, embrace them. So, there you have it. That's your crash course on developing a wealthy mindset. We've delved into the psychology behind it, defining what it truly means. It's about more than just dreaming of riches. It's about cultivating an abundance mentality, embracing challenges, thinking long-term, making proactive decisions, and continuously learning and growing. We've also discussed how to develop this mindset, challenging limiting beliefs, setting clear financial goals, surrounding yourself with success and positivity, and remaining grateful while maintaining a positive outlook. We've covered strategies to overcome obstacles and setbacks, emphasizing resilience and perseverance. The road to financial success is not always smooth, but with a wealthy mindset, you're better equipped to navigate it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and mindset. And don't forget to leave a comment about your experiences with cultivating a wealthy mindset. Remember, the key to financial success is in your mind.